Most guys spend their whole life chasing women. But the truth is, women are wired to chase men who show just a few specific habits. Most guys never realize this because these habits have nothing to do with being rich, tall, or having model looks. They're subtle behaviors that flip a switch in her mind. And once you do them, she feels like she's the one who has to win you over. These are practical psychology-backed habits you can use starting today. Number 1, you lead without asking permission. Most men wait for permission before making a move. They hesitate before picking a place to eat, second-guess themselves before suggesting plans, and constantly ask, "Is that okay with you?" High-value men don't seek validation. They lead decisively. If you suggest a restaurant, you do it with certainty. If you make plans, you don't ask 10 times if she approves. You simply say, "Let's do this." Leadership equals security. A woman feels safe following a man who knows what he's doing. And when she feels safe, she invests in chasing more of your presence. Number 2, you're comfortable with silence. Most guys panic when the conversation dies. They start oversharing, throwing in random topics, or even talking themselves into the friend zone just to fill the silence. But magnetic men, they're calm. They don't rush to fill the gap. They know silence isn't awkward, it's powerful. It creates tension, and that mystery draws her in. Number 3, you walk with intent. Your walk says more about you than you think. A man who drags his feet, slouches, or moves nervously looks lost in life, but a man who walks with purpose, upright posture, steady pace, eyes forward radiates direction. Women notice that instantly because your walk reflects your inner state. Number 4, you don't over-explain yourself. Here's a mistake most men make. When they're busy or unavailable, they feel the need to give long explanations. But high-value men keep it simple. No excuses, no begging for understanding. When you don't over-explain, you create mystery. She starts wondering what's keeping your attention, and that curiosity makes her chase harder. Number 5, you control your reactions. Women test men all the time, sometimes on purpose, sometimes unconsciously. Maybe she teases you, mentions another guy, or takes hours to reply to a message the average guy overreacts. He gets jealous, needy, or confrontational. But a high-value man stays calm. He doesn't flinch. He knows his worth isn't tied to one girl's behavior. That emotional control is rare, and it communicates strength. When she sees that nothing shakes you, she realizes she can't play games with you, and that makes you 10 times more attractive. Number 6, you invest in your appearance. You don't need designer clothes or flashy jewelry. What matters is grooming, hygiene, and a style that fits you. A sharp haircut, clean nails, fresh scent, and well-fitted clothes do more than you think. When you look like you respect yourself, women respect you more too. It signals that you value yourself enough to present your best version to the world. And once a woman feels proud to be seen with you, her competitive instinct kicks in. She'll want to keep your attention before someone else does. Number 7, you have a bigger mission than her. If a man makes a woman his entire purpose, she'll lose interest fast. Why? Because she doesn't want to be your mission. She wants to join you on one. When your life is full, fitness, career, passions, you're already moving forward with or without her, and that's what makes her chase. She feels like she has to earn her place in your world. Women don't chase men who orbit them. They chase men who are already building something bigger than the relationship. Which of these habits do you already have? And which one are you going to start practicing today? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you found this valuable, hit subscribe.